Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever wondered who exactly is subscribing to your YouTube channel? Knowing your audience is super helpful for creating content they love. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to see who's recently subscribed to your channel. Let's dive in. Now, if you're on a computer, simply go to YouTube, click your profile picture in the top right, and select YouTube Studio. Once you're in the YouTube Studio dashboard, whether on desktop or mobile browser, you'll want to scroll down a bit. Keep an eye out for a card titled Recent Subscribers. This gives you a quick glance at some of your latest followers. To see the full list, click on See All. A pop-up window will appear, displaying more of your recent subscribers. In this window, you have a few helpful options. Sort by. You can sort by date subscribed to see your newest subscribers first, or by subscriber count to see if any larger channels have recently joined your community. Timeframe, you can also filter by time. It defaults to the last 90 days, but you can change it to the last 7 days, 28 days, 365 days, or even lifetime to see everyone who's ever subscribed. This is great for tracking your channel's growth over time. Now, here's a super important note. You'll only see subscribers who have chosen to make their subscriptions public. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips. Thanks for watching.